It is a case-based question. In this scenario or in the case, we can clearly see that teams are not happy in terms of their communication, and they want to fix the issue with the conference room setup. If you look at the option, all are options or methods of communication. But if the first method, which says communication method, it's all about how you communicate with each other. It's all about that your communication is interactive, like face to face. Your communication is push communication or pull communication. Either you push means you are sending the emails and notification to others, and pull means you are basically uploading the information on some intranet or website so that anybody can download it and use it at their own ease. But if you look at the scenario, communication method does not seem to fit in that. So in this case, option number A is not the right answer. Option number B says communication technology. If you look at the question and the scenario, you will find out that Teams has issue with the conference room setup. It means they have either issues of the technology or reliability or accessibility. So they all comes under the heading of communication technology, that when you are devising the plan that how you are going to communicate, it depends on communication technology, that how early you need the information, what is the consistency information, which technology you are going to use, in which environment you are going to use, how many people are involved in the project, what is the geographic location of the team. So these all aspects come under the heading of communication technology. So from this perspective, the answer of this question is communication technology. But if you look at the other options, like option number C, which says communication style. Communication style means which format, which content, which tone you need to use to communicate with each other. But here, if you look at the question, the concept, it's not talking about communication style. So again, option number C is not the right answer. Finally, option number D, it says communication model. Communication model means how sender and receiver are communicating with each other, which decoding and encoding method is being used. Again, the scenario that has been presented in the question does not talk about the communication model. For this specific case study based question, the answer is communication technology. Those who have answered it correctly through understanding, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.